As for tanks for Horsemen, it's pretty easy. There's two ways we can have this going. If we do the regular strat, this is the non-nuke strat. The regular strat where you go through every boss. And it's basically going to be like this. We have 4 tanks, each in a corner, total of 8 tanks. We have 4 tanks on a safe spot. You are obviously stacked on a safe spot, but I'm just putting you here so you see what the fight is like, what I mean. Tank 1, 2, 3, and 4. You get damaged. You get your first mark after 20 seconds. You get your second mark 12 seconds after that. You get your third mark 12 seconds after that. You get your fourth mark 12 seconds after that. Once you are at 4 marks, you took 3k damage, it gets healed up to full, you will do a tank switch. All tanks. What does this mean? Tank 5 runs to tank 1, taunts, tank 1 runs to the safe zone. Same for all other zones. Tank 7 switches with 4, tank 8 switches with 3, and tank 6 switches with 2. This is all at the same time, right after the 4th mark. All at the same time. Not like I just did it one by one, all at the same time. This is what will happen. During that these tanks are getting their the 4 marks, their first 4 marks, these tanks who all have a mark of their own tank will make a counterclockwise rotation. This means you will get ready to take over. You will jump one boss and be ready to take over that boss. So tank 1, who was previously tanking Lady Blameau, will have run back, been taken over by tank 5, and will be ready to go to Thane. After all the 4 outside tanks again have their 4 marks, they will run to the middle, they will get swapped, by the middle tank. There we go. And they will do the same thing. They will get ready to take over one mob further, one boss further. So again, same thing happens. After the 4th mark, these tanks switch. There we go. And individually you will again, oh wait, that one goes over there. There we go. So this means tank 1 that was originally tanking Lady Blameau took 4 marks, went back, then went to replace a tank at the Cortez, then went back, is now moved 1 position again, being ready to go to Mograine. This is the strat for regular tanking. You basically always have a tank on each boss, and the safe zone you make sure while you're stacked you don't do it like this because you're gonna get marks being far away from the safe zone, but you get ready to go for the next boss in line counterclockwise. As for the other strat, nuke strat, tank 8 is not participating. We only have 7 tanks. Tank 1 is tanking Thane Cortez until he dies. Tank 2 tanks High Lord Mograine. Tank 3 tanks Sir Zelik, and tank 4 tanks Lady Blameau. Same thing happens. One difference though, as you might have guessed, is that just let me get this right, that we skip Thane. The only difference is tank 5 goes to replace tank 4. Again, this happens at the same time, this movement, this switching. And the only difference is that you get ready, you skip Thane, you get ready to do all the other ones. And again, these tanks will switch with that tank once they are at the 4 marks. This will, you will never get a 5th mark of any boss. There we go. Once Thane dies, this tank will move in and can be used as a backup or a helping hand or whatever. I hope this was clear.